Hello, Nicoloff students. It's me, Mr. Jaime again. Hope you guys are doing well, staying safe and healthy. And I have another short, fun, and interesting video today. So, for this video, I will be talking about wolves because a wolf is my favorite animal. And since I've been a kid, just like you guys, I've been fascinated by these creatures. I even have a lot of things around my room that are wolves, but I just wanted to show you guys this little figure that I love. I've been having this for years. And also my blanket. It's too hard to display on video, but this is basically the figure of my blanket, which is really, really nice. I'm not sure if it's visible. But yeah, let's get started. So beginning with its or with its beginning with its Latin name, which is technical name. It's part of the Animalia kingdom, which is basically more scientific way of saying it. Its scientific name of saying it is Latin, which is Canis lupus. And yeah, wolves are large canines who are native to Eurasia. Eurasia is basically the top of Europe and Asia where they meet, and of course North America here in the United States and Canada. And there are over more than 30 subspecies, and what that means basically is that there's 30 different kinds of wolves. And yes, as I had said before, wolves are the largest canines, and they can average a total of 88 pounds to 82 pounds, and their length can average to 41 inches to 63 inches, which, if you put it into perspective, is pretty big, way bigger than any common dog. And its height from the ground, shoulder size, like from the ground to the top, it averages at 31 to 33 centimeters. So as I had said before, wolves are the largest canines, but there are other similar canines as well to them. Some animals that can be related to them are coyotes and jackals. It's even known that jackals and coyotes, they cannot interbreed, which basically means they can reproduce and have pups, which is what baby wolves are called, pups. So as you guys know, wolves have thick, beautiful coats of fur, and these coats, they can range from colors, and they all mix and stuff. But the original, like the most general colors are black, white, brown, gray, and white. And in the Arctic, there's the Arctic wolf, and he's completely white, which he's one of the most beautifulest wolves that exist. So wolves specialize in hunting as a group. They're very teamwork social creatures, so they need each other to survive, and they have a hierarchy, a social hierarchy, which basically means that there's an alpha, and the alpha controls the whole pack. He's basically the leader, and that's just, it just works down like a it goes down. So there's like a number one, and there's a number two and number three in charge. Like, just keeps on going like that. And then they're very respectful, and they highly respect this social hierarchy. Wolves have an average lifespan of 13 years. They're very expressional creatures, which basically means that they like to express themselves. Like if they're feeling bad, happy, just in any emotions that they're feeling, they'll make it clear, and which is really fascinating because not every single animal does now, that. Some other cool, interesting facts about wolves is that they have 42 teeth during breeding season. So which, just think about, if you just think about the number out loud, 42. Just imagine having 42 teeth. It's insane. And their pack territory, which basically is like their territory where they hunt, and like it's basically theirs. It can be huge. It can, here in the United States, it can range from 25 to 100 square miles, and that's usually in Minnesota. But in Alaska and Canada, where it's more white, and it's just like bigger lands of just pure ice and just snow, it can range from 300 to 1,000 square miles, which is insane. Common food for wolves is ungulates. Common food for wolves is this word is kind of hard to pronounce. It's my first time encountering it. It's ungulates, and ungulates stands for hoofed animals, which consist of things like deer, moose, elk, bison, and basically things of that nature. During breeding season, Um, Female wolves, the average number of pups they will have is from 4 to 6 pups, which is not that much. Dogs have an insane amount of puppies, but wolves don't. Another cool interesting thing about wolves is that their sprint speed can be from 36 to 38 miles per hour, which is pretty fast. And their pack size averages from 5 to 8 wolves, but it can grow up to a number of 30, which that would be a big group. And just one final thing I want to mention and make and tremendously put effort into saying this, or not effort, but explaining it well, is how everybody knows that wolves they howl, and the reason for wolves howling it's to keep other packs of wolves away from their territory, and it's just like the most direct answer is that they're showing off, like they are showing off that they're there and stay away and this is me and I'm in control, and which is cool, and that's how they work. That's the howling. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the video and enjoy the interesting facts about wolves. And I recommend you guys to do more research on wolves. Maybe watch a documentary or something because they are fascinating creatures. And just that's basically it. And I hope you guys liked the video. And I hope to see you guys soon. Take care and stay safe.